Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm not gonna do a fixing cars video. Instead I'm doing a hand sanitizer video for you guys. Alright, basically what I need is the 99% alcohol and the aloe vera gel. Also I have fresh lemon juice, and we got a 300 ml bottle, pump, and then the cylinder, and some spoons and knife, and syringe. All right, so basically I got two assistants here. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Nick.
I'm Courtney.
There you go, that's them helping out. So basically Nick will be pouring these things. Basically because it's a 300 ml bottle, we're going to want to use 300 3/4 of alcohol, which is 225 ml, and then we use the aloe vera gel, about 1 1/4 of aloe vera gel, which is 75 ml. So basically, Nick, what you do is just pour 225 of alcohol in here, and then you can pour it in this, and then Courtney can start stirring it. While she's stirring it, you can pour 75 of this as well and put them in there. And Courtney continues to stir, and then you can dump it into the bottle. And that is the whole process of it. And let's do it. While they're doing that, I'm actually gonna cut fresh lemon for 1 ml each of the bottle. All right, Nick, you do that. Courtney, he's gonna put it in for you and do that. Okay? No stir yet. Come on, be real, all right? Let me make some fresh lemons first. 225, right?
Almost. Let's see. We're just about there, yep. So we have 225 milliliters of 99% alcohol.
Okay.
Now I'm going to pour it into here.
Perfect.
Nice. Now we gotta wait. Then we gotta add 75 ml of the aloe vera gel.
While they're waiting, I'm gonna put 1 ml of lemon juice for the smell. There you go.
Almost there.
Close?
Yeah, just about.
Pretty close? Okay.
Yeah, so a little bit tough because it's gel, but we have here around 75 milliliters of aloe vera gel.
Alright, and then we gotta
Yeah.
wait.
Just dump it in there, or?
I'm just gonna wait and sleep.
Let's see.
So what we can do, we can pour some of the alcohol in there, so make it mix in there, make it faster. Can you hold this, Courtney?
Hold this.
Hold this. Hold on. Gonna pour it in here. This. All right. Mix it a little bit. Ooh, a little rough here, huh? Shake it. There we go. Going in.
Good.
Perfect. There you go. And now you got
Stir.
it. Stir.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'll just grab one of these. Mixed.
Here again, we have another 225 milliliters of the alcohol.
That. So wipe this down a little bit. Count one of that. Cool. You can pour that in there for the new one.
I'm mixing now.
Let me get some more aloe vera gel.
Of course, when you do this at home, you should probably use some gloves and a mask. I'm not doing that right now because we honestly don't have any on us, and these bottles are going to be used within the house. So these might not be like a high quality hand sanitizer, but with the pandemic going on, if there's nothing in stores and this is all you got and you have all these items at home, then make yourself some hand sanitizer. It's better than nothing. So I'm gonna start out, I have this isopropyl alcohol. It's 99% purity. So you're gonna put 225 milliliters. So it's 225 right into here. Next, I have my Organic Aloe Vera gel, and it's going to be 75 milliliters into there. Okay, so here we have the isopropyl alcohol and the Organic Aloe Vera gel, 75 milliliters. So this is what it should look like, a little foggy. That's what it should look like. And the last step is to put 1 milliliter of lemon juice. And after that, you're gonna wanna mix it up. And then you're just gonna put it into your bottle. Ideally, you would do this over a sink, because if any gets out of, if any doesn't get into the bottle, you won't make a mess. Okay. Let me just get some of the last. Just gonna get all of the aloe vera gel. All right. Pop on a cap right there. Wipe the sides. Mix it up a little bit. Put on a label, just so that people around the house know that it's hand sanitizer, not something you should drink. And there you go. Homemade hand sanitizer.
Thank you for watching Tech Time with Tea. Wow. Smells so good. Smells like lemon. And then I feel clean too. Just want to let you know, this is only a homemade, personal use only. This is a last resort if you are needed hand sanitizer and you can't get them in any store. Just homemade. And I will post this on my link on the bottom, how to make it, and also I will post where I get the direction from. Alright, you take care, and thank you for watching Tech Time with Tea.